would be Tihom or Tahamatu, who would be the Tiamat of the Elohim. Tiamat is the Anunnaki variant. And then we see the breast. He gives the blessings of the breast and the womb. The breast and the womb of the Elohim is Asherah and Ramiah. Asherah being the breast, Ramiah being the womb. This is seen in the story of the gracious gods. Now, both Asherah and Ramiah could both represent the breast and the womb, considering they are both female deities, and they both tread the sea. That they could both be seen as ladies of the sea even. But we know that Asherah has a strong association with being the mother goddess. She is the creatrix of the other Elohim, of the other gods, and even of mankind. Her and El and Yahweh are the creators of mankind, while the other Elohim help sustain mankind. We see this in the original stories in the bits that we do have surviving. We also see Yahweh take traits from other gods, and we're going to even get back to Baal Hadad, for example. He takes traits from Baal Hadad, where Baal Hadad is seen as the sustainer and the giver of life by his rains and by his storms. We see Yahweh doing the same thing. We see Yahweh taking traits from Dagon, where Dagon is a grain or a sustainer god, just like Baal Hadad, which is why they have a close association. And we see that Yahweh is even providing grain and giving sustenance to the people, just as Dagon would. We see that Yahweh is behaving like Resheph. Yahweh is taking plague attributes and fire attributes and the arrow attributes that are shared by Baal Hadad, shared by Quosh and Resheph. We see that Yahweh is taking these attributes or that the Israelites are taking these attributes, to be more accurate. They are taking these attributes and attributing them to Yahweh. Yahweh is absorbing plague god attributes. He is absorbing war god attributes, because Yahweh is a craftsman deity, which may have something to do with war, as we can see in his role as Kotowakasis, but it also has something to do with ingenuity and with creating life, as we see in his Inky phase, or in his Haya phase, which led to him becoming Yahweh, or being known as Yahweh to the Israelites and Canaanites. And we see Yahweh taking a lot of feats from other deities. We see Yahweh taking war god attributes even from Anat, because Anat is the huntress of the Elohim. And we see Yahweh taking those feats as being a hunter, as being one of the ones that you could consider a nomadic type of God, a shepherd type of God. He is the shepherd, right? The Lord is our shepherd. That is Yahweh taking other attributes from these shepherd